Why do I snore? Dr. Nima here, rhinoplasty expert. One of the reasons that maybe the cause of your snoring could be a deviated septum or blockages inside your nose. When you're sleeping, you should be sleeping with your mouth closed. And in order to sleep with your mouth closed, your nose should be free of obstructions. You've seen people wear that like hostage tape or something like that where they cover their mouth while they'll sleep. But if you can't breathe through your nose, you're going to open your mouth to breathe. And when you open your mouth to breathe, a little punching bag in the back of your throat called your uvula and soft palate vibrating up against the back of your throat. So deviated septum can cause you to snore. Other causes of snoring could be large tonsils or a large tongue. In general, I have found that opening up the nose helps people breathe better and snore less after surgery.